Hello, my name is Sarah Costa. I'll be giving an example today using RStudio. So we're going to read some information from the World Bank 2012 World Report. And so this report focuses on GDP per capita and PPP per capita. So we're going to look at information like the richest country and the poorest country in 2012. And so to analyze this data, it's in a PDF format on a site. And so we're going to install packages Tabulizer. Tabulizer allows us to use this extract tables function, which is nice for PDF. And so it'll be able to extract that PDF table. So I'm going to hit run here at the end of the line. So this is cool, it's an R script. Holds all of the executions that I want to do. It doesn't do it all at one time. I can do it one by one. So I'm going to go here to run. So it's installing the package. And I'm going to load the library. So I need the plier as well. And I found this all on Google, by the way. Literally everything. But it was cool, and I just wanted to be able to understand the information that I was looking at. I'll explain more. It's now the library for the plier. And so this is just a warning message, it's not an error message, it's just letting us know this information, so nothing to be worried here. I'm going to rerun this just to show you that, and there you go, it's okay. So the string R, I have this here because I wanted to perform parsing through R. I had to do it through Excel, I'll show that later. Alright, so now I'm going to load in the link, the PDF link, into a variable called World Report 2012. And so I'm going to execute this. Nice, so it saved it in there. And so now I want, table 1 is in 2 pages. It's in 418 and 419. But if you open up this link, you'll notice that it's on page 392. If you see the format of the PDF, it tells you it's on 418, so just make sure you look out for that. So I'm going to run this. And it takes a second just because it's a lot of pages, you know, it's a lot. Nice, loaded in both. So now we're going to clean up the data. This rbind puts it all vertically, so it's going to look nice. Here's what it looks like right now. It's all horizontal, so we're going to make it vertical. Okay, cool. So we can check that out in here. Part 1 and part 2. So we notice here part 1 ends with Mauritania, and it starts with Mexico, so it's parsing the data correctly. It's going in alphabetical order. So now in order to merge the 2 tables, we're going to remove the column headers. So notice that the column headers went up to 8, starts at 8. So we're going to run this, and so it's going to cut off until that row for both of them. Okay, cool. So now we see here, we have our data. Nice. And now we're going to merge the tables. Cool, so here's the table. There's everything in there, I just saw. Let's go. Yep, here's Mexico. Right after Mauritania, so it's all in there. 75 plus 71 is 146. And so now, we're going to clean up our data. So remember how I was saying over here in, I wanted to load in string R in order to parse the data? Well, an easier way is just to clean it up inside of Excel. So I'm going to go here and install the packages for Excel and see. So the issue is that in V6, V7, and in V9, it's combining two columns into one column. And so we want to clean that up. So I'm going to install packages for Excel. Run the library. I already have it saved, that's why I'm just changing the name. See here. So I've been running it line by line, but you can highlight the task and you can run all of that. So over here I created the file name. It's called example. It pulled it from the world report table that we had over here. And I created the sheet name table 1. So it read in this information. Okay, so now I'm going to show the Excel. Hello! So here's the Excel part. So here I opened the file. So it's World Report 2012 Excel. And so we're going to go ahead and delete the first row. And so the ones that are messed up is G, H, and J. So an easy way to do this, we're going to go into data and then text the columns. So we're going to set in delimited because we want to account for the blank spaces. So space. So unclick this, next. And then now we're going to select the location where we want to place it. So we're going to place it over here in L, so then we can just cut it and put it back over here in the column. So now we're going to insert the column. And now we're going to grab these two, Control X. And now we're going to do Control V. Nice. So now we're going to do that again over here. For I, delimited, next. For the space, next. And now we're going to select the location. We're going to put it over here. And so finish. It's okay. And so insert. There it is. Control X, Control V. Okay, one more. So text the columns, delimited, next, space, next. And so we can select our location again. Over there. Finish. Insert. And we're gonna Control X and Control V. Cool. So now everything is inside of its proper column. So now we're gonna insert and we're gonna put in the column headers. Nice. So now the data is clean. And so now we can look at it. Check it out. Okay, so let's format it correctly. Let's make this number. And so we're going to connect it to SQL so that we can pivot it. And so let's select our table range until 147, and we have N selected. Cool. So nice. So everything's here. So that's 146. That's our last one. So now we're going to do close and load. So everything's here inside of table 1. So now we can pivot this. We can pivot this information. What's cool in Excel is that there's this ideas preview. It has some neat ideas in here. So we can see things like life expectancy at birth for males in 2009 by country. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we can put that in a new. Let's put it in charts example. tables to it. So we see the age ranges and a trend line. So we see the average about for each one. Interesting. And so what I also wanted to look at here was, so regarding financial information, so this has a country information, and so GNI per capita lets us know what's the gross national income for that place. So let's see which one has the smallest one. So it's Burundi. Burundi has the smallest one. And so let's look at the highest one. So we're going to skip these as weird values at the top, but we're going to notice here Norway at 85,380. So Norway's at the top. And so we want to account for cost of living. So let's say the poorest country for the cost of living. So it's Congo, and so let's see the richest one. So again, we're going to ignore this weird stuff over here, and we're going to highlight this one. So this is Norway. Norway again. So Norway is the richest country. Burundi is the poorest per GNI per capita in 2010. But for PPP, it is the Democratic Republic of the Congo. So there was an example. And so now I just want to go back here into our studio, and we're going to read back in that data. So we're going to here, call it the example. And so this library, R, read Excel, is going to read it. So, like, that was extra. But so, I hope you guys enjoyed this example, and how to analyze data. Alright, well, take care, have fun, bye, peace out.